This is Las Vegas Real Estate Now with local real estate expert Harvey Blankfeld.
This is our monthly market update for June of 2022. And this is all just single-family homes, guys. I just want to make sure you understand that I always do single-family homes because that's predominantly where I work. And currently available, we have 4,145 single-family homes. Last month, 2,949. That's a huge jump, guys. Inventory increasing quickly, okay? It's still seller's side, but it's increasing quickly. Make note of that. Currently pending and contingent, we have 3,193. Last month, 3,578. Sold in the last 30 days, 2,851. That's down a little bit from 3,078. A month's worth of inventory, 1.45. We're about 1.5 months worth of inventory right now. That's the first time we've been over a month in a long time, guys.
Long time.
And the average days on market is 16. It's actually gone down a little bit, which is interesting. Last year at this time, we only had 2,517 homes available. We had 4,382 contingent, and we had sold 3,180 in that 30-day period. And our months of inventory at that point was 0.79, and we had 19 days of inventory at that time. So a dramatic difference from month over month and a dramatic difference year over year. The second thing I want to present to you is my single-family homes. This is the line graph I've been using to show everybody where we are in terms of sellers versus buyers, and it's spiking in terms of available inventory. And what's happening is, you can see that what's happening is that the available inventory shot up for the first time in a long time and has gone well past. That's how we get to the 1.5 months worth of inventory. And we're going to have these, by the way, we do have these charts on our website for you. So if you pull over the side of the road and looking around, you can't see them. Just know that they're on the website. They're there for you. Now, I'm also going to go into what Rick provides us. Equity Title provides us a bunch of interesting data. And the first one is a stack chart, which shows the amount of activity we've had year over year. And right now, currently, we're running behind last year. Every single month, the activity in single-family homes have been a little less than last year. And so we're running just a little behind, but not a bad. I mean, good numbers overall. And then we have a line graph which shows, and his line graph, interesting enough, shows we're at 1.4 months worth of inventory. Right on the money. We're both in sync on that. The median price is at $481 right now, and the average price at $574. Interestingly enough, the average price actually came down this month. The median still went up, but the average came down, and that's, well, maybe we'll touch on that when we start talking about this data. Lastly, I got to talk about the luxury market, $1 million and more. And we've been talking about this for a while, and they're on course to break the record once again. Last year was the best year ever by double in terms of the number of homes sold over $1 million. And this year they're way ahead of pace on that. So we're going to see the best year ever in terms of luxury home sales at $1 million or more. Now, defining luxury homes as $1 million or more might be rather challenging in the sense that going forward, I think that the average price is going up so much.
That number might have to change.
It may have to change. We have to say, hey, you know, luxury is now 1.4 million or 1.5 million or something like that. We may have to start looking at it that way. You've been listening to Las Vegas Real Estate Now. If you ever have a question about real estate or any of the other topics we cover, just call me off air or text me at 702-203-1165. You can also check us out on the web at lvrealestateradio.com or on our handle on social media at LV Real Estate Radio.